How to get Lifeform Analyzer in Terraria. So you cannot craft this accessory or find it in a chest anywhere in your world. The absolute only method to get it is by purchasing it directly from the traveling merchant. So the traveling merchant does not live in your town permanently. He has a random chance to spawn each morning at your populated base and will leave at 6 p.m. So I have the traveling merchant right here. So you must check his shop immediately every time he arrives. The Lifeform Analyzer is not present. What you can do is refresh the shop right there. So it is still not here, so just do note that refreshing the shop will cost you some money. So let's try to refresh the shop again and see if the Lifeform Analyzer is right here. And now as you can see, we now have the Lifeform Analyzer, which is priced at exactly 5 gold. So just simply buy it, and what this does is that it displays the name of rare creatures around you. It is also a mandatory crafting ingredient for the goblin tech, which you need to build the endgame cell phone, which is right here. So keep at least 5 gold coins in your piggy bank at all times so you are always ready when the traveling merchant finally sells it. And that is how you basically get Lifeform Analyzer and Terraria.